Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the app and device so changes take effect. Update Google Maps and make sure location permission is set to precise or high accuracy. Otherwise, the arrow won't reflect real heading. Once done, calibrate your phone's compass by drawing a figure 8 until the marker stabilizes, then open Maps and begin a route. Tap the blue dot to confirm it centers and shows your heading. This primes the app to display the arrow correctly when you change styles next. Now you modify the arrow style while you're actively navigating so you can preview results. Tap the map during navigation to reveal controls and open navigation settings, then look for map display or vehicle icon options. The label can vary by platform. Once there, pick a 3D arrow for perspective, a compact arrow for minimal UI, or a vehicle icon if you prefer. Make sure to preview each choice on the live route. That shows how the arrow rotates and scales with zoom. Finish by locking your preferred view and validating behavior on different routes. Tap the compass or Orient to Route button to lock heading. This keeps the arrow aligned as you turn. If the arrow jitters or points wrong, restart Maps, toggle location off/on, recalibrate the compass again, and test another route. These steps resolve sensor drift or app glitches. If problems persist, reinstall the app and inspect OS location/privacy settings because system restrictions often block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.